Hello everybody, in this quick video tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Lovable certificate to your LinkedIn profile. So recently I saw on TechCrunch that now you can connect your Lovable certificate to your profile. Now this is a big announcement that just got rolled out this week, and you can actually start showing off your skill set on LinkedIn. So as you can see, I've got my friend Whitney who has her profile, and if I scroll down to her profile, I'm able to go to her licenses and certifications and able to see her Lovable badge. So I'm going to walk you through it real quick. So we're actually going to set one up on my profile. So all you need to do is head over to Lovable, select your profile, select settings, and only thing you need to do is right here at this top section that shows vibe coding level. This shows you where you at in your journey. I'm a level 5 diamond, and the way that you add it, you just select add to LinkedIn. You're able to just hit connect. All right, it's going to ask me to verify and connect, so I'm going to select allow. And that's it. It looks like it's now connected. And I'm going to select view on LinkedIn. And I'm going to just head down to the section that shows off my licensing and see if I actually see it. Where is it? Right here. Let me just hit licensing and see if it pops up. There it is. And that's how easy it is for you to get your Lovable badge onto your LinkedIn profile.